Human Rights Association of Nigeria don raise alarm say the Nigeria government gatz act fast to stop the way drug abuse dey spread among young people for the country. The group dey beg Presido Tinubu make dem declare national state of emergency on top the matter. Our Abuja tori person Rose Njagu yarn us say for the 2025 Human Rights Lecture wey shele for Abuja, the National Coordinator of Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, Comrade Emmanuel Onwubiko, talk say the level wey pikins dem dey take hard drugs now don turn serious wahala. The event carry the theme keeping Nigerian children free from hard drugs, a tax for all, and e bring together plenty people wey dey involved for the fight against drug abuse. Onwubiko hail NDLEA and other law enforcement people for the work wey dem don dey do, but e still talk say more gatz happen. He beg Presido Tinubu make him declare drug abuse as national emergency so dem fit give better support and power to agencies wey dey fight the matter.
Calling for the declaration of a state of emergency on hard drugs. We have also gone as far as producing a cartoon book, children's book, a comic book, to sensitize children to stay away from hard drugs. We recently circulated some few thousands of copies across schools in some parts of FCT. And we are also making a lot of appeal to philanthropic organizations and individuals to provide funding assistance so that we can print about several other thousands of copies so students in other states can get copies which we normally give out freely. I think very few copies were brought this morning. Once more, we want to call on Nigerians to join hands with the relevant government agencies and even NGOs that are involved with campaigning against drug abuse. Nigerians should find a way of providing some kind of support, either by also reaching out to the younger ones that they can find to educate our young citizens to stay away from hard drugs.
Shedrack Haruna, wey be the secretary of NDLEA, also talk for the event. He yarn say drug abuse no be only government or police work, say na society and human rights matter too. Say everybody gats join hands together.
The theme is topical and a national call to action. The theme reflects the truth that the fight against drug abuse is not just a law enforcement issue, but a societal, developmental, and humanitarian imperative. Succinctly put, the fight against drug abuse is a fight for the soul of our children and the future of our nation.
Professor Sadiq Abba, former Deputy Vice Chancellor for University of Abuja, talk say parents gats begin dey follow their pikins waka wella. He beg government and other important people make them work together to find the root of why young people dey enter drugs.
The role of family and parenthood, because in a Japanese family, the Japanese government usually give parents allowances for training or for giving orientations, patriotism, nationalism, value orientations, etc., etc. So if they go to school, the school will do virtually zero in terms of character building of the children, because the parents are already doing that. And there are a lot of countries, these are models at the family level. And in Nigeria, I hope and pray, the Huriwa is a stopgap in terms of media, but is Huriwa adequately funded? Is Huriwa adequately mobilized? Not only by government. We should not just leave everything in the hands of government. We're talking about the government, the non-governmental, private sector, individuals in the society. How effectively mobilized, not only Huriwa, but the entire media spectrum of Nigerian system, a nation, to address this issue exactly.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohi fame or no more. TMC News.